Good news. It's story time on Joe's Common Sense. Story I'm about to tell you is true, and there is some common sense in it. I'd like you to listen to this story. I think you'll find it interesting. Many years ago, when I was much younger, much more spry, my dear friend Bruce Erber, and I would often go to the raunchiest of places, the most dangerous places, and we would shoot pool with those who lived there and frequented the bar. Now, we would do it on the south side of Chicago, the west side of Chicago. Any place we thought would be trouble, we knew we'd have no trouble getting into. Now, Bruce had a brother 11 years younger, and when he turned 21, he said, "Hey guys, I'm 21 years old. You guys have been going to these places for years. I've heard stories about them. I want to go." So we said, "Sure, you're 21. Let's go." Bruce and I had picked out a bar known for really bad bikers. It was a bike club that owned that bar, and they didn't like outsiders. So, off we go to the biker bar, all three of us. So, we start shooting pool. We get there about 9 o'clock and start shooting pool. Well, around 10 or 11 o'clock at night, we hear the thunder of 50 motorcycles approaching the bar, and quiet when they reach the bar. They come into the bar, and the first place they go, besides the bar, is the pool room. And who's there? Randy, Bruce's little brother, myself, and Bruce. And we're shooting pool. And they said, "Hey, get off our pool table." And Bruce and I said, in a friendly voice, "Our pool table now. When this game is finished, if you have your money up there, you're the next game. Let's play for a bottle of beer." So they put their money up. We finished our game quickly, and then we started playing the biker. First game. In the middle of the game, Randy calls Bruce and I over and says, "Hey, guys, I got $50 on this game. Come on, let's go. I got $50 on this game." And I said, who'd you bet on?" And he says, "I bet on you guys. Bruce is an excellent pool player." We both started laughing like I am now. It's a good memory. And we said, "You're going to lose your $50. Are you kidding me?" So anyway, we plan on losing to these guys, buying them beer, and having a good time the rest of the night. You're losing your $50, and lose it he did. So, he didn't have the $50. We had to lend him 20. Anyway, long story short, be careful who you bet on. They may have another idea in mind other than winning. Ulterior motives are always the downfall. When the fix is in, the fix is in. And if you're betting on the wrong side, you're losing your money. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye-bye.